In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a Figma design to HTML and CSS. Let's launch the Figma app. Open a design from here. In the bottom menu, click on the Action button. In the pop-up menu, click on Plugins and Widgets. In the top search bar, search for Teleport HQ. This is the plugin that we are looking for. Let's open it. In the plugin menu, click Run. Now we want to select the layer that we want to convert. Suppose we want to convert the product page layer. From the left side menu, select the product page layer. In the plugin pop-up, click on Export as a new project. This will open a window in your browser and ask you to create an account in Teleport HQ. You can create the account with Google, GitHub, or Microsoft. In my case, I will create my account with Google. Now, select your Google account and click on Continue. A pop-up should appear about the plugin. Close the pop-up. This is the layer that we selected earlier. In the top right menu, click on Code. A pop-up should appear about the pricing of the plugin. Simply close the pop-up. Now, click on View Code. The code will be in React by default. You have to change it to HTML. In the top left corner, click on React. In the drop-down menu, select HTML. Here you can see that the code is now in HTML. You can also switch between HTML and CSS. You can copy the code and paste it into your project, or you can download the code. In the top menu, click on Download. Select your code format. Click on Download Zip. Save your zip folder. Let's close the browser now. This is the zip file we just downloaded. Let's open it. Here you can see that our code has been downloaded. But there is a catch. You can only download 10 codes without spending any money. After that, Teleport HQ will ask for a subscription. But don't worry, you can just create a new account and get another 10 codes for free. Following these steps, you can convert Figma designs to HTML and CSS easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.